Today, we're comparing two rising stars in the Linux gaming distro space, ChimeraOS and Bazzite. Both aim to turn your PC into a game-friendly console, but which one fits your setup better? Quick disclaimer, this is based on research and personal opinion, not professional advice or official endorsements. Chimera OS delivers a classic console on PC experience. Boot directly into a controller ready interface, run Steam or emulators, and enjoy automatic updates without the clutter of a full desktop. It's immutable and set up for living room gaming. Bazzite, on the other hand, is a Fedora based distro built for gaming and everyday use. It features immutable updates, Steam, Lutris, Heroic Launcher integration, GNOME, or KDE environments and pre-installed NVIDIA drivers. It supports handheld devices like the ROG Ally and Steam Deck. So if we talk about the key differences and features, we have the base system. For Chimera OS, it uses GNOME-based console-first Steam OS-like. Bazzite uses Fedora Atomic, works as full desktop or gaming mode. For the GPU support, primarily AMD, which is less reliable on NVIDIA for Chimera OS, and Bazzite has good NVIDIA support out of the box. For updates, Chimera OS is immutable and has minimal interface, while Bazzite immutable with rollback desktop environments included. For the app support, Steam or emulators only, while for Bazzite, Steam, Lutris, Heroic, Android via Waydroid. And the device support of Chimera OS is best for living room PCs, while Bazzite is excellent for handhelds, desktops, HTPCs. Chimera OS shines for simplicity and focus, perfect for plugging into your TV and gaming instantly. Bazzite offers more flexibility, letting you use desktop tools or jump straight into Steam's big picture mode. If we talk about real world feedback, in the PC Gamer article, users praise Bazzite for delivering a near flawless Steam Deck style experience on standard hardware. No waiting for Valve's official desktop. No waiting for Valve's official desktop rollout needed. The Verge landed Bazzite on a framework desktop, citing strong gaming performance and ease of setup, getting 4K games running smoothly with better battery life than the Windows. Why each appeals to different users? Choose Chimera OS if you want a minimal setup, living room gaming, and no desktop distractions. Choose Bazzite if you value a full desktop experience, support for various hardware, and want play on demand flexibility, from couch mode to productivity mode. As for the final verdict, both tools are legit and unique in their approach. Go with Chimera OS if you want a lean console-first experience. Prefer Bazzite if you're looking for versatility, broader compatibility, and full desktop functionality while keeping the gaming-friendly setup. Which distro fits your gaming vibe? Pure console ease with Chimera OS, or ready for everything flexibility in Bazzite? Drop your thoughts below. If this helped, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives. Happy gaming and see you next time!